You guys think so far, huh? Got some pretty sweet cars here. I'm loving all the Coyote Swap Fox bodies. Oh, shoot, he friggin' bottle bombed me, god dang it. Anyway, let's go, man. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the great state of Michigan. If you're new to the channel, I'm James, and guess what? We got that lovely white stuff that we get every year when winter comes. That's right, check it out everybody. We get a little pan of the backyard for y'all. Looky here, see? Got the snow. Oh, there's Mrs. Car Mob. She's already getting to work, you guys. And yeah, well, in this video, we're gonna show you how we hook our plow up to our side-by-side so that we can take care of all this lovely white stuff that is behind me here. So let me turn this camera around and let's throw this plow on the side-by-side. Okay, everybody, we're going to take our Can-Am plow, and there are two pins down here on the bottom of our side-by-side down here. Let me show you what we got going on right here. Right down here are pins, okay? And this plow clips onto these pins, and that's what we're going to do right now. Okay, let's see here. Try to line these bad boys up right the first time. Makes it a whole lot easier when you're trying to bench press this thing up. Okay. All right, now I gotta try to slam this guy up here and see if it'll hook up. You know what I think? I think we gotta turn the plow a little bit that way to get it to line up better. Come on, baby. We got it!
Yay!
Yay! Try number 3. We got it.
Third time's a charm.
Third time's a charm. All right, let's hook the winch up, Shelby.
Okay.
All right, now that we got the plow attached underneath, Sassy Car Girl's gonna operate the winch for us real quick here so that we can, you know, hook up the rest of the plow. So, Sassy, take it away. We got it?
Yeah.
All right, good deal. All right, I believe you pushed the button up for the winch, but just tap it and I'll let you know. Okay, you ready? Go. Go ahead. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Yeah, keep going.
Keep going.
All right, stop. All right. Let's hook this up here, you guys. Keep in mind, we're doing this with one hand, everybody, so. But she wraps under here and then clips on right here. Here we go. All right, push the plow or push the button the other direction, down. Go ahead. There you go, lift her up. And stop. There we go. Check it out, everybody. Plow installed on the Can-Am Defender XTP. Let's take this bad boy out now. Let's do some plowing. So in case you guys are wondering how we're operating the plow, we have our switch right here, which is for our winch, right? So it's basically the reverse when you're running your plow. Up is down, and down is up. See that? So let's get back to plowing. Everybody, as you can tell, we knocked it out with the old side-by-side. Check it out. The yard looks pretty good. Driveway turned out pretty good. So the good old Can-Am Defender XTP with the old plow knocked out the old first snow flow of the year. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, give me a like, smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody.